Ramsey, here we come! Oh my God!
Help! I've fallen and I can't get up.
Are you alright?
Use your core!
I need a stretcher.
Do you have anything to say after that amazing run?
I got ice all in my face. I'm glad there are no cars coming. Well, babe, be careful. Good Lord.
She's up!
Did you see how fast I was
She's
going?
up! Oh yeah, I saw you.
I'm coming, Dr. Ramsey.
Alright, Faithy.
I went fast.
You did good. That was good. Alright, Chuck. Watch out, Mom.
I can
ski better.
I'll bring this to you.
I'm a better skier.
Yeah, you definitely are.
Are you gonna come down? Oh God.